Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making a bow that we have not made on this channel thus far. We are going to be doing a classic boutique bow, but a stacked one. One of the examples that I have to show you is this. No, I will not be putting rhinestone mesh or the ribbon slider on the one I'm showing you, but this is an idea of what we will be making. We will be using the donut ribbon this time around. I have all of the pieces pre-done up. It's going to take 5 layers in all. The templates you are going to need are all the Brilliant Bow Maker ones. You are going to need the 3.25 inch surround bow template. And you are going to need 3 of the classic templates. You're going to need the medium, large, and extra large. So this is the medium, the large, and the extra large. The medium and large are done in 7/8. Extra large is done in 1.5 inch. This will be our base bow. Spikes obviously are done in 7/8. They will be 9 pieces of 5.5 inches long, same as you would need for a regular boutique bow. You're also going to need the clip of your choice, a piece of ribbon to wrap around the center, needle and thread to sew it, pair of scissors, and your glue gun to attach it all together. I have done a video on this style bow. I will link it down below so you can see how to do it. I'm not going to show you how to do it in this one. I will, however, show you how to put together the pieces to make it. Incidentally, this is also the same size surround you would use for a regular twisted boutique bow to make a full-on boutique bow. So these pieces we already know how to make, and I will link a video on how to make these. Now, as I said, this one is the base bow, and you're going to take your clip, whatever style clip you decide to use, and attach it to the bottom. I am going to be using a double prong clip for this one. So just make sure it is fully adhered. I have to trim up this center. Not the center, the edge of this, because it is a little jagged. Heat seal it. Obviously, you're going to need a lighter for heat sealing as well. And I'm going to run a little line of glue along the end of the ribbon, put it inside the clip, and we're going to put that aside. We are going to attach the rest of the bow together. So you're going to put a bit of glue in the center of the large and put the medium on top of that. Pinch down to make sure that it is adhering. At this point, while the glue is still semi-warm, I will adjust the bow so that it is spread out how I want it to be. Like that. I'm going to take your surround. You can make this in pretty much any color or print you want. I'm just using the donut ribbon to give you guys my thoughts on this. And like the mermaid ribbon in the last video, honestly, it's just grosgrain ribbon. It's a little on the thick side, but still nice to work with. It holds its shape really well. And I'm also using the ombre as well. So the ombre is a little on the thinner side and not as thick as the donut ribbon, but still pleasant to work with. All right, we are attached in the middle. And we're going to put together that and the spikes. Like I said, the surround and the spikes are the same size as you would use for the regular boutique bow. So no special templates or measurements needed for that. Pinch to make sure everything fully adheres. And now we are going to attach all of this to the base bow. You can make these as standalone bows, or you can make them as a part of a larger set. Either one looks nice. I'm just showing you this as a part of a larger stacked bow. And then you're going to bring that center wrap that we glued inside the clip earlier and has been setting. Bring that up and around. Make sure to pull nice and tight. You want the tightest possible cinch on the center. And you can go back and make sure that everything is down before attaching it. Sometimes when you pull to tighten the center, it lifts up other layers. And I will put the excess 3/8 for the center wrap between my pinky and the palm of my hand to hold it tight while I glue in the clip. Clip off the excess. Heat seal your cut. Now it's optional. You can leave it like this and not close off the spikes at the top and bottom. I just prefer to close them off. I like the way it looks when it's closed off, so that is what I'm going to do. And for that, you just peel back one of the layers, run a thin line of hot glue, and just glue the two sides together. I think doing this makes the bow look a little bit more finished. And that is wholly my opinion. You don't have to do this. I just think it looks a little bit better when you do. And there you guys go. You have a classic stacked boutique bow right there. I would suggest setting this to stiffen before you try to put it on or sell it. It definitely does do a lot better when it's stiffened. It helps hold its shape. This is one I did for an upcoming sale on my group. So that is the classic stacked boutique bow. Thank you guys for watching. And again, this is the last of the Temu ribbon that I got. I would recommend getting this as well. Go back and watch the most recent Temu haul I did, and you can find links for... Sorry about that. My camera died for whatever reason, but these are the classic stacked boutique bows. If you like this video, please click the like button below. Click share if you know somebody who would find this video helpful. If you are not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button somewhere around there, and then right next to it is a bell button. Please click the bell, set your notifications to all so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Please check the description box for pertinent links, and also a link to the Instagram where I will be active on there as well. I'm hoping to keep that updated more. If you have any questions or comments or video suggestions, please leave those down in the description box below. Thank you for watching. The next video will be a Valentine's Day themed video, so stick around for that. Come back, check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.